Last time on Ken's Jeep, it wouldn't start. Pretty sure it's the battery. It's really old, so today I'm gonna take it out, put a new one in, and I'm gonna fit a different group size battery, a bigger one, so get a little bit more power. A lot of people talk about it, but not a lot of people show it, so that's what we're doing today. Battery time. Okay, that's wow, that's the one that came out, and my Jeep calls for a group 58. You go to AutoZone, you go to O'Reilly's, wherever you go to, you type in 89 Jeep Cherokee, and they say 58. That's the one you need. But I went to Costco the other day and picked this guy up. This one is a group size 34. And what's the difference? Really, I think it's just about size, and the cold cranking amps are much higher. It's still top post, exactly, negative, positive, same side, same everything. The only difference really I can tell is the size. Now it is a bit bigger. Before I went and bought this 34, I looked everywhere on all different sites just to see if anyone else has done it, seeing what they came up with. It's kind of funny, the new Google AI says, no, you're not going to fit, or it's not likely to fit. But then you scroll down, different forums that say it will fit. It's really very close. Check it out, it fits. Plenty of space. I mean, it's a tight fit. I mean, it fits right in the tray and all. But it does sit a little bit lower than this guy here. Look at that, we still got plenty of room.
A few moments later.
Got a strap, got the bolts in. Honestly, I thought this would take a lot more. I thought I'd have to start carving into the battery tray to lower it or something. But it was actually a really good, easy upgrade. So if you're in the market to upgrade, get some more cold cranking amps, a little bit more juice, I highly recommend getting the 34. While we're here though, for extra bonus points, get some of this stuff. This grease helps everything. It prevents corrosion, like it says. It's more than enough in one thing, half and half. Also, I highly recommend upgrading to these guys. They call them like military style battery connectors. Got a through bolt here and another one there, of course, you can see. But eventually I'm going to clean all this up and put all my wires in the back and have the front clean on both of them. But so much better than the stock one. Gives you a lot more opportunity to bolt more attachments or more accessories. But yeah, that's it. Really easy one today. I thought this would be a lot harder, but we're good to go. Still here? Don't forget to take your old battery back. Get your core, 10, 15 bucks or whatever. I know a lot of you are going to say, hey, why didn't you go Optima? Why didn't you upgrade to some other battery? In a few years or so, I will upgrade and I'll finally get that red top, yellow top, whatever. For now, this is good. Good luck on your Jeep adventures.